said, Instagram ads uses the Facebook ads manager, and that's for your advantage because you're going to get detailed targeting. So what you need to do is you need to go to your Facebook, and you come up to the top up here and you go to create, right? Click to create. You can make a page, you can make a group, you can make an event. We're going to make an ad. It's going to bring you right to, okay. So here we are in the ads manager. We're going to go over here to create. You're going to create a campaign. Okay, now you can do brand awareness. You can do traffic. You can do conversions. We're going to do traffic. Okay, so if you saw my other videos on Facebook ads, this is very, very similar. As a matter of fact, it's the exact same. You're just targeting for your Instagram audience. Okay, so you're going to have your campaign name goes up here. Okay, campaign details. You're going to, what kind of budget you're going to do, auction. Okay, we're going to do traffic. A/B testing, we're not going to talk about A/B and testing. If you want to know about A/B testing, leave a comment below and we'll make videos on A/B testing. Your campaign budget optimization, you want it on. And we're going to go to the next step. The next step is creating your ad set name. So you have a campaign, and then you have an ad set, and then you have ads. Okay, so you have campaign name, and then you have an ad set name. Okay, I'm not going to go through it. That's up to your niche, right? Okay, we're going to be going to a website. You can drive the traffic. Where do you want to drive the traffic? We're going to drive it to a website. We're driving it to our landing page. Remember, we're driving it to our landing page to get people into the sales funnel, to capture their email, and to send them to the offer. Okay, now if you look over here, audience definition tells you how potential reach is 230 million people right now because we haven't narrowed down the audience. So we're going to scroll down a little, okay, to budget and schedule. You can put a start date on here. You could put an end date. I suggest you put an end date on there, okay? Here's where it gets crazy, audience, okay? Now, that's the custom audience. We're not dealing with custom audience, but you can change the location. If it's not United States, you can go to United States and Canada. You can go worldwide. You can target down to zip codes, down to towns. Okay, ages. Depending on your niche, you know what your demographics are, what your niche is, what your age group is. Okay, if you don't know, that's what split testing is. And like I said, leave a comment if you want to know more about split testing. Gender, now here we go with split testing. You can send ads to all men or all women, or you can do both and figure out who's converting more. And like sometimes it's always women that wants to do the buying, right? So detailed targeting, here where we go. Okay, now we're going to edit this. I'm going to browse just so you know, because I'm not going to pick categories because I don't want to get you guys thinking of one niche. You have to decide what your niche is and what your audience is and your detailed targeting. So you're going to go to demographics, interests, and behaviors. Okay, so what's their education? What's their financial situation? Their life events? Are they parents? Are they in a relationship? What's their job? Okay, that's demographics. Now, interests, okay, could be business, could be entertainment, family relationships. Now, when you pick something, let's pick family and relationships. And let's go motherhood. I don't know why I picked motherhood, but let's just do that. And you're going to see over here the audience definition is going to change. So now it went down to 100 million people from 230 million people. Okay, so and you can narrow down shopping and fashion, sports and that, so let's say they're also into shopping and fashion. Okay, and the number will change again. Okay, and then behaviors. Okay, what kind of behaviors do they have? Are they mobile device users? Are they engaged shoppers? Purchase behavior, engaged shoppers. Okay, so engaged shoppers are people that are buying online. So now watch what happens to your audience definition. Okay, now this is, you're going to have to what they call split testing again, and you're going to figure out what works. Okay, so now they're down to 130 million people. All right, now you come and that's how you pick your audience. Now placements. Now here is where it gets down to the nitty gritty between Instagram and Facebook, okay? Because you can pick automatic placements is what's recommended, and they're going to put it on everything Facebook owns. Facebook owns Instagram, okay? Or you can do manual placements, okay? And it's going to tell you here, okay, you don't want to do Facebook, you don't want to do the audience network, and you don't want to do Messenger. You're only going to click Instagram. So now if you look down here, you're going to go to Instagram newsfeed, Instagram Explorer page, and down here, Instagram stories. So that's how you get your ads onto only Instagram. Okay, you're using the Facebook ads manager to build your ads, but you're only going to be showing them on the Instagram platforms. Okay, and if you don't want to do stories, you can declick this, unclick this. If you just want to do news feeds, or if you just want to do stories and don't do news feeds, because stories right now, the return on ad spend is really, really good on story ads. Okay. So, and now, as you see, now we're down to 75 million people. So we're narrowing down our audience as we're targeting and zooming in on our targeted audience. Okay. So, so that in a nutshell is Instagram ads. If you figured it out, basically it's Instagram is the same as Facebook ads, but when you get down to placements, you're going to have to adjust and edit placements and just go to Instagram stories, and Instagram feed. Okay, so basically it's all the same. Creating the ads the same. Well, it's not really the same, because with Instagram stories is, if you want to know about Instagram story ads with the swipe ups, leave a comment down below and we'll explore that in the next video.